Hello everyone, welcome back to Anais Chronicle channel. So today I want to be sharing my YouTube growth journey with you all. It's not really been an easy one. I had the channel since 2018 or thereabouts, but I haven't been using it. Fast forward to 2024 when I met a very good friend outside YouTube. A friend turned to a coach. He kept on pushing me, start your YouTube, just now start posting on YouTube, start posting on YouTube. And on the 24th of October or 19th of October, I can't remember the exact date, I decided to make my first ever YouTube video. Prior before then, I was trying to make videos because I'm camera shy. I'm not used to the camera. I don't even know what to say. I don't know what to do. But I know I have a lot of things in my head, but I don't know the particular niche to pick. I came into YouTube as a very confused person. Even if you watch my first YouTube video I made, like you know that I don't even have a very specific place I'm going to. I just wanted to come. I know how to cook. I know how to talk. So, Justina, which do you want to do? I wasn't so specific. I just said, anyways, you know what? You just have to get into YouTube. Just do anything you want. I just told myself that, and I picked up the courage to stand in front of camera and made my first YouTube video on the 19th of October and posted it. After which I paused for a while because after I posted that video, I didn't get any like, I didn't get any subscriber, I didn't even get any view. Till after 2 days, I got one view. I was like, wow, that's nice. 3 days after, still one view. Check the next week, still one view. I kept on checking. Till at some point it grew to 5 views or 6 views thereabout. Then after a month, I think November, I made another video and dropped. And I noticed that video was like the views was up to 6 in less than a week. And I started watching so many YouTube videos on how to grow, beginners growth on YouTube and the rest. I started implementing most of the things I learned. There's this particular girl I do watch her video. I've forgotten, but I'll mention her hopefully the next video I'll be making. I started watching our videos, I talked to my coach, I implement the ones I have learned, and I decided, okay, let me just be posting anything. Let me know the one people will pick interest more in. And I noticed one of my video on clothes that I had over 590 something views with just less than 20 subscribers. I said, okay, those kind of maybe people enjoy more of the talking than the cooking. I stopped posting the cooking one. I started posting the what's it called? The talking on. Then on the 10th of December I felt a very bad headache. The next day I felt very sick and I couldn't make posts. From then till I was so sick even on my birthday. I wanted to make a birthday post video for myself, soliciting people to wish me happy birthday here. If that will be the only comment I'll get for the year 2024, but that day I wasn't even strong enough. Down till 31st of December, I posted a short. While posting all these videos, I've been making YouTube short because I learned that you can grow from there. I started posting all these videos and shorts with just a very little faith and hope because I didn't even know my left from my right here. It's as if I'm confused. So on 31st of December, I decided to post a short because I've not posted for long. I posted a short where we are shooting um banger and firecrackers is called in some places. I posted that video and I noticed I had views. I said, okay, this year let me be serious and focus this January. I posted two other videos up until the day I saw a TikTok sound. I decided to use that sound of people viewing people's posts and they are not engaging, they are not subscribing. As at then, I was less than 22 followers, subscribers, sorry. And I posted that video. I didn't even know. In fact, I just posted it because it was fun for me. I love what was said there. I love how I even interpreted it, and I posted it. Let it be there, part of my short. Boom! Since the day I posted that YouTube short till today, my YouTube channel has not rested. I was like, is this really how to grow? You know, there is one girl I followed on this YouTube space where she talked about how shorts grows people, how people grew through short. I said, no, that girl is very right. Do you know, since I posted that this thing, I rose from 22 subscribers to 874 subscribers currently. I don't even know how God did it. I don't know how it happened. I don't know where YouTube moved down my video to, but I'm just so impressed. And this will also serve as encouragement to all new YouTubers like me. If you're just starting, please don't give up. Just one single video can blow you up. Don't give up. Keep posting. You see shorts, don't play with it. Now, I'm a fan of posting YouTube shorts more than YouTube video. Don't joke with it. Don't ever joke with it. Post YouTube shorts every day if possible. I'm not consistent and I experience these growths. If I become consistent, what will not happen? I'll pursue all of you from YouTube. So please don't give up. For my newbies, try listen to all these beginners video. You will learn one or two things. Promote your YouTube page. I've not even done any promotion. I've not posted it on any of my social media handles. I've not even sent to family and friends. I just said let me try it without them and see my growth, how I will grow without family and friends. Then if I watch my growth, then I can now invite them. But my growth is awesome. And if I can grow like that as a beginner, you too can grow like that. And believe me, if you're watching this video, engage with me. I will engage back with you. Subscribe to my channel, or also subscribe and comment, engage on my videos. I will equally do same for you if you're a YouTube beginner. I understand how it feels to be a beginner. We can grow, we can help ourselves grow on this space. If you know a beginner, you can support that person. Please, my YouTube journey has been nothing short of well, I'll call it adventure because it's an adventure for me, and I'm really happy I'm able to do this. I'm able to stand in front of camera to tell my story about this my humble growth, and I hope we've all learned from it to be consistent and stay positive in any situations. Then, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay positive always. Bye.